my back is turning into the shape of a chair. Alright, just got to Iowa. I'm at Cedar Skate Park, and yeah, definitely starting to feel it, these long drives and skating back to back. Starting to wear my body a little bit. Also, my knee's getting a little sore. I had knee surgery in the past, so it tends to act up. I don't know if it's the rain, but I've been around for the past like 4 or 5 days, but either way, feeling it, but still moving. And yeah, gonna get a session to warm up.
Chad, right?
Yeah, what's up?
Keegan.
Keegan, nice to meet you, man. Is this your local park?
The closest park to me is actually like where I live in Ames, and then there's one like 30 minutes south of that also. They're just like kind of a long drive from here a little bit, but yeah, I don't think it's bad.
Hey, when you're driving around the country every day, 30 minutes is nothing.
For sure.
Go for a first try?
Yeah.
Oh! Could have been bad. That thing's fast, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Damn. Have you ever done a varial flip?
No.
Alright, you're learning varial flip today.
Okay. Like that, yeah?
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh! You have it. Yo! Oh, almost. Yes! Yes! Hell yeah! That's amazing.
How do you learn a new trick every day, man?
Alright, so how long did that take about, like, once it's happened?
Probably like 30, 45 minutes. But it's me just straight doing that.
Right.
So,
that's me, man.
so nice
that was awesome.
You,
hell yeah. So to me, it's so much harder what he just did, like learn a varial flip in like a half hour, than what I'm doing, because I know tricks already. I know like the format. Like learning a basic trick is so much more of an accomplishment to me. You know, it's a harder hurdle to get over, I think. But psyched for him, and that's it. I think I'm heading to Rorick skate park. It's like an hour north, but it's on my way to Minnesota.
Do you want chicken steak, fajitas, or tofu sada?
What's your favorite?
I go with a mix of the chicken and the steak.
All right, sounds good. I trust you. You live in Iowa your whole life?
Yeah, yep.
Anything cool here I need to see? I'm here for one day.
I mean, honestly, I lived here my whole life. Iowa's pretty boring to me at this point.
All right, guys, just got to Rorick skate park, and I'm just like, this place is here because I was Googling it on my way and I didn't see any pictures at all. So just like, looks pretty fun though. Gonna go skate. How's the skating over here? Is there like a lot of skaters, or is it?
Really.
No?
Yes.
This is the most, I've been here 3 times. This is the most skaters I've been. All right, so the other day I learned hurricane grinds back to regular. So today I'm gonna try to switch and bring it back to switch. See if we can make it happen. Alright, so with this one, it's a little harder for me to switch to like turn my shoulders back in. Regular feels more natural, like twisting my body. Alright, not really feeling the hurricane. Gave me an idea though for a trick. It's like the same motion. So let's switch backside 180 nose grind. I'm gonna try to bring it into regular though. See if we can get that one. Almost ate it. Alright, fun day today in Iowa. Just like the sun's out finally, you know, it gives you a different energy when skating in the sun. But yeah, psyched I got that switch 180 nose grind to regular pretty quick because I don't know if my ankles could take anymore. But yeah, that's it. Hopping in the car, heading to Minnesota.